Transform dinner with exotic chicken curry. Welcome to our kitchen, where today we embark on a culinary journey to create an exquisite exotic chicken curry. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with an explosion of flavors. We'll start by gathering our ingredients: tender chicken pieces, aromatic spices, and fresh herbs. Each component will bring a unique touch to our dish, making it unforgettable. First, marinate the chicken in a blend of yogurt, turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Let it soak for at least an hour to infuse the flavors deeply. While the chicken marinates, we'll prepare the base. Finely chop onions, garlic, and ginger. These aromatics will form the foundation of our curry, lending it a rich depth. Heat some oil in a large pot and add the chopped onions. Sauté until golden brown, allowing the natural sweetness to develop and enhance our curry's profile. Next, add the garlic and ginger. Stir continuously to prevent burning and to release their fragrant oils, which will permeate our dish beautifully. It's time to introduce our spices. Add cumin, coriander, and garam masala. These spices will create a symphony of warmth and complexity, essential for an authentic exotic chicken curry. Now add a touch of chili powder for heat, adjusting to your preference. This will give our curry a delightful kick and balance the other flavors perfectly. Once the spices are well incorporated, add diced tomatoes. The tomatoes will provide a slight tanginess and help form a luscious sauce for our curry. Pour in some coconut milk, adding a creamy richness that complements the spices. This is the secret to achieving that velvety texture in our exotic chicken curry. Add the marinated chicken to the pot, ensuring each piece is coated with the aromatic sauce. Allow it to simmer gently, letting the flavors meld together harmoniously. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice to brighten the dish. These final touches add a burst of freshness that elevates our curry to new heights. Serve your exotic chicken curry over steamed jasmine rice or warm naan bread. Embrace the flavors, savor each bite, and enjoy this culinary journey from the comfort of your home. Hungry for more? Like and subscribe to unlock the secret ingredient in the description.